NUP Secretary General David Lewis Rubongoya decried the photos circulating on social media that show Edward Sevufu, also known as Eddie Mutwe, who serves as chief bodyguard to party president Robert Kyagulanyi, in apparent military detention with a shaved head and a visibly distressed expression. This comes after the party had organized a solidarity gathering today at their headquarters, but were halted due to heavy deployment of security operatives in Makerere Kavule.
Today we wanted to have a gathering to stand in solidarity. Eddie Mutwe's mother, his children and wife were going to come and give testimony, talk about their father and what they are going through since he was taken, and they've been telling us how they've been traumatized from the time they saw the image that Museveni's son released and all that. So we condemn all this in the strongest terms possible, and unfortunately the military, SFC in particular, and then other military forces surrounded our headquarters, which now they're used to doing every day when we announce press conference and whatever. They just come and raid our place.
Lewis Rubongoya has condemned the torture of Edward Sevufu, also known as Eddie Mutwe, by military authorities, calling the disturbing images shared online shocking, distressing and disgusting.
We know for sure that time will vindicate us. The only prayer we have is that when eventually these people are reaping what they are sowing now, they will not go down with the country. Because we have seen dictators who behave in this manner, it never ends well with them. So it's very, very unfortunate that Museveni's son has chosen to behave in this manner. What Eddie Mutwe is going through is what thousands of our people have gone through, except that many of them we haven't seen their pictures paraded. But every time they've come out, they told you how they've been tortured, fingernails plucked out, all manner of things done to them.
Other party leaders who had showed up for the meeting also shared a dissatisfaction to the state for continuously intimidating human rights in the country.
All this is humiliation and a violation of human rights. Our gathering today was intended to show the world, everyone, the professionals, the doctors, the members of parliament, the journalists, the farmers in Kasanda, and the businessman in Chikubu, that what is happening and what is being done to our brother Sevufu can also happen to you, because we are all potential candidates of this regime's brutality. So we have to come out, fight, and end this, because if we keep waiting for who should come and fight for us, in the end we might reach at a time when no one is there to fight for you.
Uganda is a signatory to the World Anti-Torture Declaration, but we sign very many of these, but we don't put into action. The time has come, and I want to call upon Ugandans, especially the elites who think that this does not concern them. It concerns them, because when Trump was taking away aid, he took away their jobs, and I can tell them a lot more is going to happen.
And in the articles or the laws of the UPDF Act, it's not allowed for any security officer to be partisan. But we have seen the CDF more than once being partisan, and the police and the UPDF giving him a blind eye. But they are very active in seeing that they condemn the activities of NUP. So we want to ask ourselves and ask Ugandans, is our security operations a partisan security organization?
David Lewis Rubongoya shares that the party has already taken steps to go to the courts of law to have the immediate release of Eddie Mutwe.
We already applied for habeas corpus order in the courts of law to ask the High Court to order the regime, and now in particular Museveni's son, to release Eddie Mutwe. We know, of course, that even when there is a court order, he will not respect it. But for us, we have told you consistently that we love being on the record, and that's what we're trying to do by going to court. And finally, of course, we've told the people of Uganda time and again that dictators listen to protests. Dictators listen to action. So we've been telling the people of Uganda, whether you're in the diaspora, here in Uganda, to rise to the occasion and protest. Today is Eddie, tomorrow it is going to be you, it is going to be your friend, it is going to be your child, it is going to be your father. The impunity is growing, and it is running out of hand. So we need to stop it before it is too late.